Okay, this is the ranger station at Pennekamp State Park. We're gonna go America's best state parks. We're gonna go for a cruise. I've never done this before, so let's go visit Pennekamp State Park. We're currently at the campground, campsite 9. And I already did a video down there. We're gonna see what the rest of the park looks like now. Okay, here we go. We got the visitor center, glass bottom boat tours, snorkeling tours, kayak and canoe rentals to the left. So we're going left. We're gonna go by the beach because I seen there's a beach. Ooh, there's the visitor center and aquarium. Cannon Beach. I wonder if there's any gators. From corals to keys. See if I can get in here without falling down. What's on the rack? Okay. We're gonna keep moving here. Gotta keep it moving. It's real hot. Can't afford to be still for even a second. No lifeguard. Love this beach though. Crystal found a pavilion. I'm gonna turn left on this one just because it'll show the aquarium. Supposedly this place has a 30,000 gallon aquarium. Yeah. Gotta watch my turn. Go through the parking lot again. Okay, so we know there's a beach with plenty of parking and a shower house and a visitor center and an aquarium. Very cool. Here's the oversized vehicle parking. So if you got a monster rig like ours, zoom, spend the day in one of these spots. Thank me later for showing you. Okay, we're back where we started. We'll go read the sign again. No, we're not going to the campground. I'm just gonna go straight ahead this time. You cannot be a bus or an RV or a trailer and go this way. They got the snorkel boats, little restaurant that's open, pop machine. Ooh, bump. Another bump. Ooh, there's some cool kayaks and canoe rentals. More restrooms. Perception. Huh. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Kind of noisy for going over with a bicycle. Thought I was gonna fall in. A lot of parking down here too. Kayak landing. Okay, another speed bump. Bump. Keep right. Keep right. I kind of remember this is a boardwalk or something out here. Hadn't been here in a while. There's the boardwalk. No bicycles on trails. You gotta take your bike and walk. At the bumpiest roads here. There's another beach. Less people. Crocodiles. I'll take a pass on the beach swimming. Wow. I would want a mask on too. I want to see my crocodile coming before he takes my arm or leg off. Oh, there's the other end of the boardwalk. Had to show you that. This is one side of the boardwalk that bikes aren't allowed on. And then the other end is up here. No dogs either. Well, that's fair because it is the Everglades after all. Oh, I don't know if I'll come down here and walk or not. I don't think so. Well, no, because you can't drive a motorhome over here. I'm going to turn left right here and go out. We've been to the beach twice. They're down there snorkeling. Water's nice for sure.
That's like 85 degrees.
Yeah, it's amazing. Hello. Not sure what that is. Oh, it's the kayak launch. I gotta go to the kayak launch. Do not enter. Okay. I'll play by the rules. It says enter down here. The silliest bike cruise ever. There's another pavilion. They definitely have no shortage of pavilions here. So this is what, where you bring your kayak or you rent one over here too? Let's bring your own. Not too hard. Looks fairly straightforward. Launch your kayak to there. Oh, and we have a sidewalk again. We got a sidewalk. No excess grade. I don't think anybody will be walking, so we'll take the path once. Ooh, it's kind of scenic. No diving off the bridge. Boom. Got a car coming behind us. Hang it left. Hang it left. We'll go in. There's an iguana. See, boat staging area. Oh, this is the marina. The marina. Sure is a lot of sailboats here. Boat trailer parking. I've come down here in my motorhome before and sat. They don't really care, but if you're gonna use the dump station, pay first. Okay, back through the campground again. Why not? We'll do the whole gizmo here while we got a battery. These are sites. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got Dish Network, and I think any one of these up to about, oh geez, probably 15 new satellite, 16, yep. I think they had a book library up here, if I remember right. On the far side. On the far side. Oh. What's that? Yeah, we can. I was wondering the same thing. I don't think it goes too far, though. Oh, we did? Huh. Oh, yeah. Isn't that a well or something? I think we walked it. Oh, loose gravel is not good for me. There's the walkway. Not super loose, but it's enough to make me watch out. Well, I think this would be a good place for a drink of water. We're back at the marina. John Pennekamp State Park. GoPro, stop recording. See how good my GoPro listens. GoPro, stop recording.